Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I survived Palm Springs. Everything is good. Flight was smooth coming back on Tuesday, so I'm very grateful for that. Flew on American Airlines. Let you know, I usually have a good experience on American Airlines, so thanks to everybody there. I'm doing this really quick, kind of an exciting day. I'm about a half hour away. I have a podcast that I'm on from Montreal, Quebec. It's a queer LGBTQ+ podcast that I'll tell you more about, and I'll make sure I share the link and everything coming up as soon as I know when this is going to be out. I think it's going to be out maybe December, maybe the first of the year. I think actually it might be before Christmas, because he's asking me some questions regarding the holidays and being gay and everything in my journey. So got to do this really quick, but everything is good, and I got huge seasoning orders I got to ship out. So Gregor Seasoning, GregorSeasoning.com, shameless plug, but I'm grateful for those as well. So today I want to talk about my trip was great. We had kind of a monsoon rain out there on Saturday. I've never been out there when it's rained before, and this time it really rained. It really rained, and I was grateful to see friends and people I've been seeing in a while. My apologies to people that I didn't get a chance to see. There were several of you out there that, everybody's got things going on, and I get that. But today what I want to showcase is I was on an NBC/Instagram show, NBC Palm Springs, and it's called Dining with the Davids, and they feature a different restaurant every week. They invite people to come along. You sample appetizers and food and dessert and stuff, and you choose the best one. And so I was asked by my friend, both Davids, but the one David that I know a little bit better, asked me to come along and do it, and that was the last Wednesday. I had a great time. 12 of us were there. We're at a restaurant called Honey's, Hunnys, and she was adorable. The owner, she looked like Kristen Chenoweth, and she says she gets it all the time. So if you're in Palm Springs, go visit. It was really good. But what I want to do, and I got permission to do this, I'm going to show you the video that the Davids did right now. It's about a minute long. That's all it is. It goes on NBC Palm Springs Instagram, and it's just great. And I'm known as my yum face, or the yummer, or something like that. But yeah, I'm on the clips, so I have some moments of fame that I'm really grateful for. And so you'll see that right after I get done here. And then the other thing is, I was on a podcast that is called Coming Out Late with David, that we did an interview poolside at the Triangle Inn at the owner's pool, and it's going to look really great, and I'll let you know when that will be out as well. So Turkey Day is coming up. I know a lot of stuff's going on. I will do a post on Monday, and then I'm taking the rest of the week off because I got some travel stuff going on. So all right, so Dining with the Davids, guys, thank you for letting me to put this on my blog for today. I hope everybody enjoys it. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. And without further ado, here's Dining with the Davids. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Today on Dining with the Davids, we brought 14 of our taste buds to Honey's Restaurant and Bar in Palm Springs for a 10-course tasting menu to find the standout dishes. After every bite and every ballot, these came out on top. From the breakfast menu, the favorite was the country fried steak, eggs over easy, toast, crispy potatoes, and Honey's signature homemade gravy. From the lunch and dinner menus, the chicken pot pie earned first place thanks to its tender filling and perfectly flaky pastry shell. For our vegan friends, the Impossible Portobello burger surprised the group with its juicy texture and bold flavor. And for dessert, there was no debate. With 13 votes, the apple pie a la mode was not only the top sweet, but the overall favorite dish of the night. A quick note, Honey's is still in its soft opening phase, and big updates are on the way. A walk-up bakery and coffee bar, plus a new speakeasy called the Beehive, taking over the old back room. Starting this December, they'll also be open late till 2 a.m. Perfect for anyone catching a show at the Plaza Theater and looking for a bite afterward. Tell your waiter the David sent you, and don't forget to follow us for more culinary adventures in the Coachella Valley.